Hello friends, welcome to the course. My name is Mohammad Adnan Khan and I am an IBM certified DB2 specialist and I'll be your instructor for this course. So this is a complete comprehensive course on learning DB2 skills. So the goal is for you to be able to work with DB2 and manage it like a pro. And the objectives are to teach you DB2 database administration skills and prepare you for the professional IBM DB2 certification exam. Now what you get is 250 plus lectures spread across 34 sections, concepts that are explained thoroughly through easy to learn sessions that are backed by step-by-step demonstrations and gives you the proof of concept that you learn. There are a lot of quizzes, some case studies, exercises with solutions and a DB2 detective game to keep you engaged with the course. I've also handpicked some study material in the form of PPTs, SQL guides and a DB2 admin guide so that you don't have to mine the internet and get the relevant information to learn DB2. Now this course also prepares you for the DB2 professional certification examination that you might go for after completing this course. Now as I said that this course is spread over 34 sections, so you can perceive the course divided under 3 parts. The first part focuses on understanding DB2 architecture, wherein you learn about DB2 process model, DB2 storage model, DB2 memory model, and a lot of other concepts that form the basic foundation for learning DB2. So the first part is covered under sections 1 to 7. Now the second part focuses on learning DB2 SQL skills, where you'll learn to write, select, insert, update, delete statements. You'll learn to create different objects, alter them, modify them, a lot of other stuff. So those are covered under section 8 to 15. Now more than 50% of the course focuses on learning core database administration skills, and those are covered under section 16 to 34, wherein we'll talk about managing and administrating instances and databases in DB2. We'll talk about administering security, we'll talk about backup and recovery, database concurrency, etc. Then these 3 parts, when combined together as a course, will give you a very strong understanding about DB2 concepts. Now guys, if you invest 1 hour per day for 30 days, you will be able to complete this course within 30 days. But since this is an online learning platform, so you can go by your own pace. Now why take this course? So if you are interested in learning DB2 and learning the database administration skills and want to get certified on DB2, this is the course for you. You want to build an amazing career in the exciting fields of databases, this course offers you a lot of different career paths in DB2 so that you can become a DB2 developer or you can become a DB2 database administrator and get a better paying job in the IT industry. If you learn DB2 from a third-party vendor, then you have to shell out a huge amount of money to attain your learning objectives. But this is an online course and it is being offered at a very nominal cost. Now as I said that jobs for DB2 professionals are competitive, so here is a snapshot of what the average salary looks like on payscale.com for DB2, SQL, Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server database professionals. Now who should take this course? Anybody who's interested in forming a career as a SQL developer or a database administrator, or anyone who is from a non-IT background and wants to start their career in the IT industry, so can pick up this course because this course does not require a very strong prerequisite knowledge to be there. University college students who doesn't find coding interesting at all, as was the case with me. DB is wanting to upgrade their database administration skills to DB2 and increase their horizon of opportunities. This course is also meant for teachers and trainers like me who can later on share the same knowledge with their students. So that is it guys. Thank you and good luck with this course.